Hello and welcome to Sunday Special. I'm Raghav and today I'm going to take up a topic called Can I Do This? This is a question and I have also written an article on this on my blog lifecharger.org. So whenever we are trying something new or whenever we have to try something new, we always have a lot of doubts and apprehensions. There are a lot of questions in our mind like, can I do this? How will I be able to do this? What if something goes wrong? Where I will find the resources? Where I will find the help? Will I be able to complete this? And there are so many doubts and questions in our mind. Today, when I look back, I see that every new thing I have tried had made me a better person, a more happier and a more experienced person. There were a lot of doubts, a lot of questions every time. I also failed a lot of times, but all along this process, I have also learned from the failures. And I believe this is what experience is all about. We try new things, we learn, we fail, we then learn again, we try again, and then we get things done. So this is, I believe, a good way to get a lot of experience. Also, when I recall all these moments, I always feel good and happy. So with all that experience, here are these 6 things that I can share with you. Don't ever hesitate to try something new. You may have a lot of doubts or questions, but please give it a try and please start on it. Have belief and courage and go with full confidence. Learn whatever you can, learn from wherever you can, learn from any resources you can. Fourth is give your best. Don't do something just for the sake of doing it. Give your best and honest attempt. Fifth one is learn from your failure. It is always okay to have failures. It is always good to have failures so that you will learn and have more experience. So don't hesitate if you fail. And then the final thing is try until you get the things done. So these are the 6 things that I can share with you with my experience, and I hope this will be very useful for you. Thank you for watching.